Hi folks, as a YouTuber, you always find a better way to communicate your content, be it like storytelling, content quality, video quality, audio quality, or the graphics present in the content. For example, your name pop-ups. As you can see, my name is popping up here. You can do it using Canva. That is called the lower third. In the technical language, we call it lower third. And today we are going to use Canva to make lower third. Let's start. Hi folks, my name is Arbab Usmani and I am co-founder and CEO of Upskill Academy and a Canva evangelist from India. And today we are going to learn a new trick. So hey folks, let's start. Log into your canva.com and you can see something like this. And we are going to choose for, let's say, YouTube intro. You can choose anything, like any size you can choose. But let's say we are choosing YouTube intro and I'm going for a blank template. As you can see, there is a template, right? So there are a lot of graphics already there, but these the graphics you can use as an intro, but you cannot use this as a that kind of the stuff we are going to do. You cannot use it, right? So welcome to my channel is there, like, share, subscribe is there, right? So this kind of stuff we can use this one, right? But we cannot use another one. So let me put this one as well. So let me put this one as well, and yeah, let me put this as this one, right? And the first one, we are going to start with the scratch. So let's choose something like, let's pop up my name, which is Arbab Usmani. Let's pop up it here. So go to text and you will see a lot of design options here, so let's choose this one, and let's change now name, Arbab Usmani. This is my name. Since my brand, the brand I'm doing is for upskill.com, and the brand color is a little bit different. So I'm going to change the color of this Arbab and Usmani to my brand color. I can change this. You can see a red highlighter here. I can change this to go to effect, and I can change this to maybe that white, maybe black. I can change. Let's say maybe white, right? So this is the text we have, but it does it still does not have that animation effect, right? So you can animate it using here, and as you can see, we have a lot of option of animation. You can see a lot of option is animation. A lot of option we have got for animation, right? Up, down, light, right, writing. This is typing Arbab Usmani, ABC, right? So something like this one. So this one, a different kind of. This looks nice, right? So let's choose this one, right? Let's choose this one and let's play it once. Good. So we can use as a lower third, like whenever we want to pop up a name, we can use it. But before that, before moving to that, we are going to use this as like, there should be some background, because sometimes what happen, only name, if the name is coming, that it does not pop up very clearly, we are going to use something else. Let's say we are going to use some elements, and we are going for an element here, and we are going to use some kind of element. Let's say we are going to use this one, and we are going to rotate it. As you can see, there's 85-degree, 86, 90 degrees, perfect location for that. And let me put it here somewhere here, and drag this one. So it should look like something like this. And let me make it a little bit short. As you can see that Usmani and the red color blend, let me change this color to maybe white, or maybe something different, maybe this kind of color, right? As you can see, it is not popping up. But again, this stuff is not animated. We are going to animate it. Let me put some dark color so you can see the entire. Let me put it like green. We will change this green to some other color after some time. Animate, and yes, you can see this is animating. See, this looks nice, right? So we are going to put, so entire thing, if we put together entire thing, we will see something like this, right? And since, as you can see, at this moment, like in 2 seconds everything finish, like you can see this is a 10-second slider. So 1 2 second, everything is finished, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to reduce this to 2 second, maybe 2 second, right? Now the next step which is going to help you, which is very crucial to color entire thing as green screen. We are making some graphics in green screen, so obviously we are going to make this one as white. Now, as you can see, this one, this pops up, right? So as you can see, there's a problem in last. So yeah, so Usmani is going a little bit late, so we are going to change timing for this one. We are going to change timing for this one. So we are going to not this one, sorry, this one. We are going to see, right? We are going to see everything, right? So we are, what we are going to do, we are going to reduce that, that time of this Arbabusmani, reduce a little bit. Let's see what happened. Right. So let's go back and increase time of this one a little bit further. Yeah. Let's see what happened. Not this one, but yeah. After that, this is going, right. So before, what happened, that text before box was going, and then after text was going, right. So it is not happening right now. So this is good. This is good to go. And similarly, in similar fashion, what we will do, we will change the color of this as a green screen, right. And of course, this color will be our brand color. Let's say this will be red, this will be our red, and this will be our red, right. So we can choose this one as well, and we can maybe reduce the size a little bit, and you want to put somewhere else, like we can put something somewhere here, right. So we are going to put it here, right. Now the next step would be downloading this as a mp4. So we are going to download this as mp4. Of course, these two will be downloaded as a zip file, not as a individual mp4. So let's see what happened. Okay. So here, if you do so, what is the problem with this one? They will make one mp4. I just forgot this one. I thought this will act as a png, but these will be a continuous movie. We do not want to do that. That is why we need to download this as a separate entity, right. So first of all, we are going to download first one, and then we are going to download, that the second one. So it will be downloaded as a separate entity. So let's see, we are going to use it in our software, in our video software, and it is very easy trick to do so. It takes hours to make this kind of, that this kind of stuff, but we are going to this in minutes. So let's see how it is going to pop out, right. So let's go to my software, which is video software, and this is my video software. This is called iMovie. You might have different kind of software, Adobe Premium, yeah, that or Adobe Premium or Wondershare. Every software have this feature. What is this feature? So let's first upload these two things here in our timeline. Let's take this two thing in our timeline. The first was my name. So let's say after the intro, I wanted to have my name, right. So around this area, I wanted to have my name. There is already a button called subscribe, you can see, which is already embedded, so we can hide that button as well using this. So as you can see, it hides my, that it's, whenever I put this here, it hides my video, right. So what we need to do, we need to go here and just put it as green screen. As you can see, it is now converted to green screen, right. And it is now converted to green screen. And if we want, if we want, like, so if I put like something like picture in picture, it is something this, right. So what we need to do, as you can see, there is a subscribe button. Already there is a subscribe button, and it is, I am not able to hide it. So what I need to do, I need to go to Canva, put this as this one, move this is a little bit, and then again download this one. So as you can see, The first one I'm going to, not second one, first one I'm going to download this one. And then let's put this into our mixture, right? It's just downloading. So since you know that you need to have a little bit of that repetition of the work due to some of the elements, right? So let's do that. So as you can see, we are having this problem with this one. We are going to delete this one, and then again we are going to upload the new one, which is, I think, this one. Yeah, we are going to upload this one here, and again we are going to apply for green screen. As you can see, it hides perfectly, and as you can see, और उसके फैलने का वन ऑफ द रीजन है कि उसके पास में दो एडवांटेज है डेटा, और उसके फैलने का वन ऑफ द रीजन है कि उसके पास में दो एडवांटेज, right? As you can see, के फैलने का वन ऑफ द रीजन है कि उसके पास में दो एडवांटेज है, डेटा एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Now, so this looks very nice. This looks very nice. And what about this one? You can do it in a similar fashion. You can have a green and blue screen, and you can see like 10 लाख रुपए लेंगे आपसे. हो सकता है कम ज्यादा हो, बट एक फॉर द एग्जांपल हम लोग उसको मान लेते हैं. तो इसका मतलब कि पर यूजर 10 लाख रुपए लेंगे आपसे. हो सकता है कम ज्यादा हो, बट 10 लाख रुपए. Right. So you can work with alignment. You can do a lot of things using this. You can use some of the elements present in Canva itself. Canva have a lot of elements. If you have a Canva element, right? So this one, like this one, you can use this one. You can design everything like creatively. Whatever you can do it here. Like subscribe. Let me put this one. See. Our animated one, subscribe. See, subscribe. There are animation one, non-animation one. You can use these to here, and then again remove the green screen, and you can get the to lower third very effectively, very easily. You do not have to go to the complicated software to do so. You do not have to download a template. Just go to Canva and use this trick to create a very effective lower third for your videos. So folks, you have seen how easy it is to create the lower third for your YouTube videos. For such more videos, please follow us, and we have built a course called Canva Masterclass. The link of that course is in description and in pinned comment as well. So if you want to learn Canva, you can go and enroll for the course. I will see you in the next video.